In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Apple Maps data fast. If you've been using Apple Maps for a while, you might notice that there's a lot of data accumulated over time. Clearing this data is a simple process, and we're going to go through it step by step so you can have a cleaner Apple Maps experience. First, what you'll want to do is open up your Apple Maps app. It's usually found right on your home screen, but if it's not there, just swipe down on your screen and use the search bar to find it. Once you have Apple Maps open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface. You'll see your map displayed prominently with your recent locations down below. Now what you're going to do next is swipe up on the Apple Maps interface. This action reveals your recent destinations. These are places you've either searched for or visited recently. Now you might be wondering, why clear these? Well, if you're someone who values privacy or you simply want to declutter your digital footprint, clearing this list can be quite useful. Once your recent locations are visible, you'll see a list of places you've been to or searched for. To clear these recent locations, look for the clear option, which is typically highlighted for you. By tapping on it, you'll erase all the recent locations from your list. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're okay with deleting this history before you proceed. But what if there's just a particular place you want to remove and not the whole list? You can customize your cleanup by deleting individual places as well. To do this, swipe left on the location you wish to remove. It's sort of a hidden feature that can be handy if you want to keep some history intact while getting rid of others. When you swipe left, you'll notice a delete button appearing. Go ahead and tap on delete to remove that specific location from your history. It's quick, efficient, and ensures you only clear exactly what you need. And there you have it. That's how you can easily clear your Apple Maps data. With these simple steps, you'll have a fresher start on your app, free of unnecessary clutter. Don't forget, maintaining your app's data can help improve not just performance, but also respects your personal privacy preferences. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.